Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to workout number 7 of our summertime workout series. In the description below, I'll leave the link to the other 6 workouts. I just want to quickly say thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Let's not waste any more time. We have 5 different exercises. We're going to repeat it 4 times through. Since this is the summertime workout series, there is no clock. There is nothing to follow. You just follow along with me, and we try to get this down with no breaks as fast as we possibly can. First exercise we're going to be starting with is a backward lunge. One single leg. You're going to come up and kick forward. We're doing 10 repetitions, switching to the other side. From there, we're going to go to 3-second push-ups, only 5 of them. Nice and slow on the way down. Pop back up as fast as you can. From there, we're going to do 20 skaters, back and forth, as much as room as you got. And then we're going to finish up with 20 sit-ups. We're going to repeat that 4 times. So you guys ready to go? Pick a leg, any leg, backward lunge. Kick it up forward. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Backward lunge and forward. 1, 2, kick. 3, 4. Try to keep your balance. 5. I'll do the best that I can. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. Boom. 1. This is good for balance right here. 2. No shame, guys. 3. You're losing your balance. 4, just hold on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, on the ground. Give me 3-second push-ups. On my count, just going for 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Down and up quickly. 1, 2, 3. Down, up quickly. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Up quick. 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Up quick. Ready? Let's go down. 1, 2, 3. Up quick. All right, guys. We got 20 skaters, side to side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. I gotta hold on to the wall because there's no more room in here. 4, 5, 6. End up with a curtsy lunge. 7, 8, 9. 10. Let's go. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skate with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep moving. 9 and 10. 20 sit-ups on the ground, guys. And let's go. Going for 20. Ready? And let's go. I don't care what you do with your arms. 1. You can leave them right here. You can put them here. You can just prop yourself up. Pull yourself up like this. It doesn't really matter. 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right. Back to the lunges, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Backward lunge. Kick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I start going too quickly. See what happens? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like I said, my workouts are your workouts. I fall over, you might fall over too, and that's okay, except nobody's watching you. 2, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lost of balance. 9 and 10. All right, 3-second push-ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pause. Come up. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Come up. That's 2. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Come up. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4. 1 more. 1, 2, 3. Pause. And 5. All right, 20 skaters, guys. Let's go. 1, 2. Stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get that heart rate moving. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's go for 20 sit-ups. Woo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. All right, guys, we're back to the top. Pick a leg, any leg. Let's go for some kicks. Ready? Let's go. Squat back. Lunge back, I should say. 2. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On the ground, 5 push-ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pause, and up. 1, 2, 3. That's 2. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 1, 2, 3. And that's 5. Beautiful. 20 skaters. Keep moving. 1, 2. Stay with me. That's 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7. Push it. 8. Big jump across. 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2 on the ground. Keep moving quickly. 20 sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay with me. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, guys, that's 3 rounds down. 1 round to go. You know what? Let's double it up. Let's double it up. Let's do 20 lunges right now per leg, and we're gonna double everything up. Ready? I just gotta stop talking. 3, 2, 1. Lunge back, kick forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if we can make it all the way through. 6. I don't know if I can. 7. I like pushing myself. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1, 2. Woo. Switch sides. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. I need somebody to hold on to. Falling over. 3. It's okay. 4. A little farther away from the camera. 5, 6. Keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Last time around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 20. All right, guys, we got 10 push-ups. Let's knock these out, but slowly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pause, and that's 1. 1, 2, 3, pause, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, pause, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, halfway. 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 more. 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 9. Last one. 1, 2, 3, and 10. Woo, last one was ugly. I felt my back bending. All right, 40 skaters, ready? Let's go. 1, 4, keep going. 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. I think, I can't count. We're doing 13, 14, just follow along. 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come on. 7, move. 8, 9, and 10, and on the ground for what might be the hardest part, 40 sit-ups. You guys ready to go? Let's go. 1. Gotta pace ourselves on this one. At least I have to pace myself. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 more. I can't believe I just said 30 more. Let's keep going. 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, one more, we're halfway. Halfway, we got 20 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. It's getting hard to talk. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That leaves us only 10 more, guys. We got it now. Piece of cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Ready? 1. Come on, let's go get it. 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. All the way down, all the way down. Lay down. Now you can breathe out. All right, guys. Whew. Well, that was summertime workout number 7. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and I take you through all these crazy workouts right here from my basement for almost 4 years running now, every Monday and every Thursday. Plus, there's shorts that come out almost every day. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. I'll see you guys later. And see you during the next workout, and have a wonderful day.